Hi everyone, this is Chris from Stylharmony. Thank you for joining me. Today's video is about making some napkin rings, and we're going to do this very easily, probably using your Christmas scraps here and there, and it's going to be very simple. We're going to use some recycle toilet paper rolls, and it's really easy to do. So I've done here a few of them, and you can do them in any colors. Of course, the theme here is about Christmas, but you can do them for any occasions. And they're very simple. You really can decorate them like you wish. Just use what you have. These are just inspirational examples. Okay, so I'm going to put this aside. We're going to be using, as I said, some toilet rolls. I'm going to use this one I already cut. Elmer's glue, just regular Elmer's glue with paintbrush. You're going to cut your paper as well in the color of your choice, and some ornaments. Very easy. And you might want to use also some hot glue. So I've cut this piece, you know, I just squeezed it, and the harder your paper, your toilet roll is going to be, the better it is. If it's too flimsy, try to find something a little sturdier if you can. I keep mine when they're really in a good condition. So I've cut mine in about 3 centimeters, which is about 1.25 inches. Do it in the size you want, and 1.5 inches would be nice too. And then cut your strip of paper. It can be longer, that's not a problem, but I would like, I cut mine about the double of the size of my ring here, because I want to go inside and cover the inside as much as I can. If you don't want to do that, you can also paint it, of course. You can also paint the outside with just acrylic paint. Well, that will do the trick too. But for this example, I'm going to put some paper here. So I've already cut mine, so it's about 6 centimeters. So 2.5 inches. I'm going to take this paper, oh, oops, that's exactly what I didn't want to do, but that's fine. Okay, I am going to, and I'm being generous with the glue here because it's soaking in the paper quite a lot. Very easy, you'll see that's quick. Again, if you want to put some paint, I might do one with gold. That would be nice too. So I am just going to roll it up like this, and have a rag or towel paper here, and I just center it and I cover it up here. Oh, I know why I put all of this in my glue. Anyway, I'm going to take this away with a little bit of water. Non-stick mat are really wonderful for this. And once it's really well glued, you're just going to cut it here on the sides in order to, you're going to do some slits here. And I'm doing this randomly. I'm going to do this on both sides. And I go up to the piece of cardboard. I'm going to put some glue here on the edges because it already dried up. I do like the look of the paper. And now you're going to put this inside here, okay? Very easy, very quick to do. And the slits are going to help you to make it look nicer. Okay, I'm going to take away the excess. See how it's nice on the sides here? Okay, I'm going to turn it over, do the same thing on the other side. A little bit of glue. Maybe I should have gone a little bit over the measurements I told you. They may not join together in the middle because of the thickness of the paper, but that'll be fine. If I need to add a little piece of paper, I'll do that. How easy and fast. And it dries really quickly. Yeah, it didn't join in the middle, so probably do a little bit more. Maybe if you're doing this, maybe add, I don't know, 1/4 of an inch. So the two pieces join in the middle and you don't have the line I have here. So in case you do have a line, I think it's easier if you cut small strips than cutting a long one. So just to cut, and this is not really regular, but try to make it even. A little bit of glue, and I'm going to put this here. Okay, and I am going to apply this here in the middle just to hide my toilet paper. Use the rag, clean space, and press it down firmly, and you're going to take the excess away. But Elmer's glue dries clear, so it's not a problem. And you're going to do this all the way along. So I'm going to do this and I'll be back in just a second. Okay, I'm back. So now what I'm going to do, sorry, I wanted to put a little bit more light. It got darker in here. So here what I'm going to do is I took a little bit of garland here that it was already broken actually, so I cut it down even a little smaller, and I'm just going to put a dab of glue here where the paper gets together. So I'm going to hide this, and I am more or less going to put this some kind of in a circle. Okay, just drawing the pieces together, see if it goes nicely, some like a fluffy thing. So hot glue here, where is it? I can't find, there it is. So I'm going to put a dollop of hot glue here, okay, to make sure everything is going to, maybe a little bit more. I want to make sure everything is going to stay in place. Okay, I'm going to take my spatula here. I don't want to burn myself, and I am going to stick it there. And it's very forgiving because you can put it in place and play with it very easily. And now what I'm going to do is just use these pieces. Remember, maybe in my previous videos I showed you I had bought one of these. So I cut them down again, and I think I'm randomly going to put it this way here. And I don't really want it to be even, but it's going to look like this, I think, because I want to make mine different for everybody. How did I say? I want this to be, let me see, I need to make some space here. Yeah, maybe one in the middle here, so I'm going to put some glue here. Press it down. Hold a few seconds. And the other one, yeah, maybe a little lower. Again, a little bit of hot glue. There. It's a bit too even now, but it's okay. And there you have it. I might use a third one. Let me see. I'm going to cut a little piece of this one. Okay, and maybe make it go down or not. I don't know what's looking better. Yeah, maybe. Or just this. Oh, that's not easy. 1, 2, stop. Let me see. Yeah, I think I'm going to put it a little down here. So I'm going to put a little bit of glue there. Ooh, stringing this morning, and I'm going to fit it in here. There we go. Take all my strings off, and there you have it. I think it's really cute, and I might use something else here on the side because I think it feels like it's a little bit empty. And I have these crystal, you know, with glue on the back. So the easiest way I found to do that is to take a whole line apart, and I'm just using my nails for this. So I'm going to take the whole strip off, and I am going to apply it here. Start a little bit under, go into the middle, trying to see where my middle is, and press it down. How's that? And it's exactly the same color. That I was lucky on that one, because sometimes it's not easy. But you know, if you have just translucent one, non-colored one, use a Sharpie or any alcoholic marker, and you can't just color them in any color you wish. That's very convenient, very easy to do. So I'm going to start here again. Center it. I'm going to try to take these pieces away here. Let me see, come on. And glue it. And I'm going to take this one off. And there you have it. Look at that. Done in seconds. And this in minutes. So easy to do. So this is just one example. This is the second one, just using, this is how would you call that? Let me see. It's cinnamon. Yeah, I buy them like this because I think it smells good for Christmas. I love cinnamon all year long, actually. And I do them in this direction because I think it's nicer, because my napkin is going to go this way. Let me put my napkins in again. And I usually try to use more faded napkins if my decorations are really bright like this, and it looks so cute. This is upside down, actually. And look at this one, just with pom-pom. Just a little box of pom-pom. And I think I had another one. I don't know where it went. Where is my other one? Oh, it's there, of course, with a poinsettia. And I went here with some glitter glitter gel pens, and I've just put some glitter here and there, not too much on my leaves, just to make it sparkle a little bit. And there you have it. Few napkins in minutes. If you want to go even quicker, maybe painting them would be quicker, but you have to wait for the paint to dry. Here, I think that it's done much quicker doing it this way, and it's ready to go. So there you have it. Please tell me, which one do you prefer? I'd like to know your comments. Do you like, I really like the pom-poms. It makes me think of a ring. I don't know, I really like this one. I love this one. I love all of them, actually. They're all so different. So yeah, please tell me which one you like best. I'm very curious about your tastes, and give me some thumbs up for this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and please share. It makes my video be known a little better. Thank you very much. Take care and see you soon. Bye-bye.